This is a quick follow-up video to the last one of the EcoFlow Delta powering a full-size fridge. We had a couple of people message us and say, please check to see if it can handle once the compressor needs to kick back on. So this has been unplugged for a while. Right now, you can see no lights on. I'm going to plug it into here and turn it on. The compressors will definitely need to kick on, so we'll see what happens at that point. This is the power cord that goes into the back of the fridge. So here I am plugging it into the back here. It's on. I'm going to turn on this. Boom. Let's see what happens. $1,300 watts here, you can see. And then boom, it's dropped back down. So the compressor to this fridge did kick on. It's getting cold again, and now it's dropping back down.